Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't mind the hair. I am actually here to give you guys a rundown about this hair that I have on. So where do I start? Let's say I had recorded a video of the before unpackaging this hair, and this is actually an updated video. So I've had this hair in for about maybe 2 weeks now. So I'm giving you guys an update on how this hair held up. This is supposed to be synthetic mixed with human hair, but I don't think there's no human hair in this. So the rundown is all my footage got deleted. So I am basically redoing this video for the second time to give you guys an update because I love you guys so much. So I'm updating you guys on what is going on. So I had originally ordered this hair and thought that, okay, you know, something quick and easy for those that don't want to spend that much on hair but wanted something quick, fast, affordable, which it is affordable, but the problem, and the hair was gorgeous when it came. It looked gorgeous when you, and the way I had installed it. I will I will put a few pictures here to show you what it looked like before when I actually initially did the video and took pictures. So this is the clip, the pictures I'm here. Yes, as you guys can see. So you have them on whatever side I put them on, they're there. And that's what the hair looked like when I first got it and installed it. And I was like, oh, you know, this is gonna hold up. Hopefully I can get like 6 months out of this. But 2 weeks after, like, this is it. Look, I am actually brushing it out right now. So this is it. Like, it's literally like, this is what you're seeing. Yeah, it is tangled. Yeah, I'm going to comb this hair out and then I'm gonna come back and sit down and actually give you guys a full review. I just wanted to kind of show you guys it before, because after today, this is it for it. Like, look at the ends. Do you see how that is trashy? And I'm also going to cut it. So it's about here. So it's almost mid back. I had cut it before. So what I did, I cut it into a layer style. So I have it like layered. Yeah, just to give like my shape that more defined, my face that more defined shape. But the hair is literally garbage. And this, it looks like a 2, but they said, I forgot what it says on the package. I would actually have to go back and look, but it's a 1B, like coffee 1B hair. So it's supposed to be coffee 1B black. So this is what coffee 1B black look like. And I ordered it from Amazon. Yeah, so what are all the things that went wrong with this hair? Girl, let me tell you, this thing sheds like a mother fofo. It sheds like a dog. Like, actually, no, worse than a dog. But as you see, kind of gross. But I started combing it out. But let me go finish comb it out. I will try not to take out the hair out of it. But if I have to, that means I got too much hair. Like, it's been shedding. I can't even comb this inside my bathroom. And if I actually do comb it, I gotta take out the mats to comb it because that whole bathroom has to be cleaned down. So let me go and comb this out, and I will come back and sit down and have a talk with you ladies about the hair and the pros and the cons of this, and if I would recommend you buying it. And so far, I held to no, I would not recommend you guys buying this hair. But let me come back and give you guys the pros and the cons in just a second. All right, guys, so I am back. As you see, the hair looks fab, don't it? Yeah, it really does. It looks fabulous. It doesn't even look synthetic. But like I said, oh, the camera is not staying how your girl wanted to stay. Yeah, so the camera is not staying how I wanted to stay, but that's okay. I'm just gonna come and give you guys a quick rundown. I just finished brushing out this hair, and I also trimmed it. As you can see, hubby actually helped me trim it. And look at this, guys. You see how much hair? Like, can you believe it? No, I can't. Like, it's just crazy. crazy, crazy, crazy. This is just crazy, and this is what you are seeing. It is what it is. So yeah, this is what the hair pretty much looks like. And yeah, I'm actually back to give you guys the finishing on this hair. So like I said, this hair, it looks amazing, don't it? It looks good, but to be honest, this hair sheds so much, and I would not recommend buying it. Like, if you're trying to do like a costume, then go ahead. But for something quick and fast, just to spend the money, and was the money worth it in the end? No, the money was not worth it. It was so not worth it. I have yet to give my review on the site about this hair, but I sure will. Today is actually the last day I am keeping this hair in, because it's not worth it. It was actually 22 inches long when I got it, and it was like tailbone length. Yeah, it was 22 inches it says, but it was literally tailbone length hair. When I took it out of the package, it just felt really nice, smooth, and silky. At first I thought that the lace was going to be okay, but I could feel the texture that it's not like real lace. For lace fronts, this one is also supposed to be a, what is it called? Supposed to be a fake scalp wig. So the lace that I find, I tried to use just the Got2b glue and the free spray to nail this bad boy down. It was not staying down at all. I literally had to go in with my Ghost Bond glue to hold the hair down. And even after, like, and Ghost Bond glue usually holds your hair down for a good 2 to 3 weeks. This was lifting up after like a couple of days. So in order to keep it on, I have to keep reapplying, and that was not just, it wasn't going to work. And this thing knots and sheds worse than a dog. Worse than a dog, I could give you that much. How I'm able to maintain the hair, like I told you, I cut it today, so as you can see, it has been cut. And I literally just comb it out for it to look the way it does. Looking good right now. And what I do is I generally braid it in one or braid it in two and wrap it up at night to keep it, because you just want to take care of it the best way you can. The longer you're able to take care of a hair, the longer you're able to maintain the hair. So I always be like, treat hair like when you buy hair, whether it be wig, sew-in, clip-ins, whatever it is, and you're keeping it on your head. I always say treat it as if it was your own hair. So what would you do at nighttime? Do you braid it up? Do you put any type of thing in it? Do you wear a scarf? Do you wear a headband? Do you sleep with a silk pillowcase to make sure the hair keeps you, because it will keep you longer? This, I generally could wear it back if I wanted to. And I could probably, the way I take care of my hair, I could get a couple more wears out of this. But yeah, the shedding is not for me, and I can't deal with the shedding. So I'm just giving you guys my honest opinion on this. Do I recommend you guys to buy this hair? No, I don't recommend. And this hair also came from a Amazon website. Yeah, so it came from an Amazon store. I actually bought it. When I saw the price, I was like, oh, 22 inch for that price? And even for it's like supposed to be synthetic mix human hair, I was like, oh, that's a steal. But yeah, the shedding I just could not deal with. And just the way it feels here, like the feeling of it is just different. And there's been a lot of shedding. Like, I've combed through a lot, but the only good thing is that the hair, it's a lot, so it doesn't look, thank God I ain't bald yet from all the shedding I'm getting. Like, guys, literally this is how much shedding I was getting. Yeah, so I just came to guys let you guys know about that video. And I wish I had the actual first footage of when I installed this video and the struggles to install it, and to show you guys like, you know, what it looked like. And then yeah, but I'm only coming with basically my what is it, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks now update on it. Yeah, so this hair has run its course. The next time you guys see me, I should be in something different and from a different hair company. Yeah, and let me know if you guys want an updated video on my natural hair journey. It's been a while since I've actually done a natural hair journey video, so I will actually do a wash day routine. I haven't done one of those in a long time, since you guys have seen my big chop that I did last year November. I did a big chop and I went back from processed hair to natural state again. So my hair has grown a lot. I have actually trimmed the edges, trim my ends since I've done that. But let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, more wig videos, more hauls, and hopefully I'll have a haul coming up for you guys soon as well. I know I've been slacking on here, guys, but bear with me. Yeah, we just got a lot going on, so just bear with me as I get things sorted out, and your girl will be back, and I will be back strong, and I will make sure that hopefully I can push out at least videos once a week or twice a week on this channel as well. So send in your video ideas and let me know what you guys want to see on this channel, because listen, we're girl bosses and we are gonna boss up together and get the work done. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.